Building bigger and stronger traps is a common goal for many athletes and fitness enthusiasts, but achieving this goal necessitates a thorough understanding of the trapezius muscle and the most effective exercises for its development. While many people think of the traps as only the small triangle-shaped muscle at the top of the shoulders, this is not the case. The traps are a considerably larger muscle group that is divided into three primary regions: the upper traps, middle traps, and lower traps. Because of their size and placement, the traps require a great amount of weight to grow and develop, and this is where the typical shrug exercise lies. Short shrugs just include raising and lowering the shoulders, which does not provide enough resistance or duration under strain to adequately challenge the traps and encourage muscle growth. High pulls involve explosively pulling a barbell or dumbbell from the ground up to the shoulders, using the traps to generate power. Notice how the bar is pulled up towards the chin, and the shoulders are pulled back and down. This movement recruits more muscle fibers in the traps than a traditional shrug exercise, resulting in greater muscle activation and, ultimately, more growth. Hour cleans are another exercise that can be extremely effective for building bigger traps. Both high pulls and power cleans are complex movements that require proper form and technique to perform safely and effectively. If you don't want to invest time learning those movements, you can always opt for traditional bodybuilding exercises like deadlifts, rack pulls, barbell rows. Farmer's walks and upright rows, I assure you will get better improvements if you focus on these motions instead of the shrugs.